Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about IdefineWigs. So you should purchase any wig from their platform or not, and what are the main problems of their product. Okay, so let's get started. So the first thing we will talk about, how old is this brand. So you know very well, like this brand is approx like 5 years from now, and it's indicating the brand is looking like a good. But oh, wait a moment, you have to keep this thing in your mind, like every product have some negative reviews also, every product have some positive reviews also, but the brand should be legit. And if we talk about, like you can say over here, they have provided their, you can say, Facebook page, Instagram page, each and everything is present on the internet, so it means the brand is legit. And if we talk about the problem, the only problem with the brand is like quality of the wig. Okay, so when we checking the reviews on Trustpilot, we find that they have like in the period of 5 years they have only like 257 reviews, out of which like 30% reviews are negative. And when we checking all the negative reviews, all are complaining about like product quality and return issues and refund issues. So these are the basic issues with this brand. And I also recommend you, like when you purchase any product, you have to contact, like you should contact with their customer support team, because many of the negative reviews are complaining like they did not get customer support. So this is the very big concern, like you should contact with the customer support team first of all, and then you can make you can say like you should contact them, and you need to ask some questions related to return and refund, then you can go. Otherwise you can say like the quality, we talk about the quality, there are some reviews also like quality is not too good. So it's a person to person choice, maybe you will like a good product, maybe you will not like the same product. Okay, so it depends on person to person choice, we cannot say the product is really bad or not. So the thing is like brand is a legit, and you are going to get definitely product. But if we talk about the product is little bit costly, as you know. And what is the main thing? The main thing is only this, like you should contact with the customer support team first of all, and then you can make a purchase. Okay, so this is the information. Now you can make your own decision. If you have any experience, you can share your thoughts in our comment box. Your comment will always open, and you're welcome. Okay, so bye bye, thank you.